guys, Happy New Year, belated Merry Christmas. It has been a hot minute since I last filmed. I think the last video that I filmed was my winter FabFit fun box, and yeah, but the holidays and New Year's came and have went, and now we are in the year 2022, and I can't believe that 2021 is over and that we are in a new year. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, wonderful holiday season, and a safe and happy new year to you guys. So we're gonna start off this year with our very first unboxing, and that is going to be my January Boxycharm. So I actually got this pretty early. I didn't film a December Boxycharm unboxing here on my channel just because I got that very close to Christmas, and I normally like to film my Boxycharm unboxing way before that. So I did film that unboxing, like a casual unboxing, on my vlog channel. So I'll link that vlog. It's during the Vlogmas season. I'll link that vlog down below in the description box and on the card somewhere if you guys want to see what I received in December's Boxycharm. But very excited to unbox my first Boxycharm of 2022, and I am so excited for the year 2022. I have been busy with Christmas and family, having family over from out of town and Christmas season, and then I also was busy during the beginning of January because my second born son, or my second born child, which is my oldest son, I have two sons. William is 13, he's gonna be 14 in May. He had an I don't even know how to say it. I'll put the word over here, but he had hip surgery, and this is the medical term for the hip surgery that he had, and we were just busy, prepping for it, and he is home now. He was in the hospital for about maybe 5 days. I vlogged about it, but I haven't put that vlog up yet, so I will have that vlog most likely after you see this video. Once I have that vlog up, I'll have it in the description box below. But he's home now, he's recuperating. His pain level right now is maybe an 8 to 9, but he is on pain medication. He is lounging on our couch. We have a sectional, and there's a chase part in our sectional, and that's where he's sleeping for the next, he'll be sleeping for the next 6 to 8 weeks. And then I myself chose to sleep in the living room just so I can be there for him when he needs me at night. That's what's been going on. But anyway, enough of that. You guys will hear more about it in my vlog channel. If you guys are not subscribed to my vlog channel, please subscribe to that. And before we get started to the Boxycharm unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and let's just go ahead and get started with this Boxycharm unboxing for January. So my oldest daughter, actually, you know what, let me grab a scissor in case I need it. Alrighty, so I am back with my mini little scissors right here. But like I was saying, my oldest daughter decided to open it once I got this box yesterday. Today is Thursday, but she decided to open it and take a sneak peek, so it is kind of open. She tried to seal it back by putting a little whiteout right here. Let's just go ahead and see what is in this box. This is what the box looks like this month. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you guys are new to Boxycharm or new to my Boxycharm unboxing, Boxycharm is basically a, I think they raised it up, a $27, now $27.99 I believe, but it's a $27 monthly beauty subscription where you are guaranteed 5 full-size products, and the value of the box is actually worth more than the actual subscription itself. So I always get the base box, and I do pay for my base boxes, but there are 3 tiers of Boxycharm. There's a base box, which is what I'm going to share with you guys, a premium box, and a luxe box. Never tried the premium or the luxe box, so you can go ahead and stick with the base box for now. So this month's theme is called Refresh, and it is very fitting for year 2022 because I'm pretty sure that we are all in need of a refresh after the last 2 years with the pandemic and everything else. Hopefully this is going to be a year of a refreshing start for everybody. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. I see a lot of brands that I actually love, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into the first product, and this is from one of my favorite skincare brands. I'm actually using their Green Clean Cleanser, I believe, and I love it, and I've used the cleansing balm as well. But this is from the brand Farmacy, and this is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. I always do a close-up for you guys, but I actually love serums. I have a gazillion of serums sitting on my vanity So I'm excited to try this, but this retails for $44. Wow. And it says this is a skin plumping micro filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate into the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. So very exciting. Let's just go ahead and see what the bottle looks like. Ooh, very bougie. I love it. It is a glass bottle, so I'm excited for this. And let's just see what the dropper looks like. I like the little gold. Oh, it's a pump. Okay. I like the little gold accent to it. So it is a pump. I'm gonna go ahead and pump some on my hand. But it takes a few pumps for it to come out. Oh, there you go. I put a little too much. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have a scent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work that on the back of my hand. Ooh, I like how the back of my hand looks hydrated and plump, and I really like that. I'm excited to try it. It does have a little bit of a scent, kind of like a honey-ish kind, but nothing too overwhelming. So very excited to try this out and add this to my serum collection. Okay, up next is this one from Earth Harbor, and this is the Nymph Nectar Superfruit, oh my goodness, Radiance Balm. So that's what the packaging looks like. So this one retails for $38, and it says, as seafood and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamins C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactive necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. Very nice. It's a lot of skincare product. Okay, actually I thought this was a lip balm. I like the packaging on this. Again, another bougie looking packaging. It's like a glass jar, I want to say. So this is sealed. Might as well just open it. It is sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Ooh. It smelled like oranges. I didn't apply too much, but I applied it right here. I guess if you apply quite a bit, you'll notice a difference. But I've never used anything like this before, so I'm pretty excited. I actually thought this was a lip balm. I'm excited to try this out. I do really smell the nectars and the citrus smell or scent in this. I'm excited for that one. Ooh, okay. So this one is very exciting. I actually needed a new makeup brush cleaner. So this is from Bodyography Pro, and this is just their makeup brush cleaner. Oh man, I wish I had grabbed the brush, but I'm so lazy to do it. Maybe I'll just do it during the close-up. But this retails for $19. So excited for this. Again, I love brush cleaners. I'm gonna test this out, and I'll probably end up showing you guys during the close-up, but excited for this one. And I'm hoping that this is like one of those spot cleaners, because I like spot cleaners, especially for brushes. But we have two more things in the bag, or in the box, and then this one is next. This is from Evio Beauty, and this is the Lip-Spo liner duo, and this says this retails for $24. It says this is a creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill your lips. This is a two-piece kit. Features a variety of formula that glides effortlessly along your lips for a perfectly defined pout and a matte finish. Named after people who inspire us. Ooh, okay. So let's just go ahead and swatch this. Oh, and that, by the way, this retails for $24. Not bad. So it's just $12 per lip liner. I actually have been loving lip liners lately. I just love how it just adds more definition to your lip. Especially, I'm actually wearing my lip liner right now from, of course I forgot the name of it, but it's been one of my favorite like mauve shade of lip liners, and on top of that I'm wearing like a Evio Beauty matte liquid lipstick, and then I topped it off with Morphe lip gloss and Shimmy Shimmy. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is going to be what it looks like. Love that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks better when I'm not so close to the camera. I like the shades of these. They're perfect for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is actually coming up, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. This is what the tip looks like. Alright, so let's go ahead and swatch it. I'll just swatch it in the back of my arm. Those are what the two look like. I actually like how they look, and they do feel very creamy when I was watching it. So I'm excited to try this out. I actually wish I didn't put any lip gloss on, but I have a bunch of new makeup that I want to try out. I actually want to film, or I am planning to film a testing new makeup, or not testing, like a first impression of the Natasha, the new palette, the face eye and face palette from Natasha Denona. I actually recently purchased that back in mid-December, and I meant to film that in December, but it was just way too busy. I'm excited to try that out. I'll probably include that when I'm filming, or when I film the Natasha Denona product review. Alright, so we have one last product in the box, and it is, I have no idea what it is, but I think this is the cream contour palette, which I was excited about. I saw some of the previews from the Boxycharm Instagram page, and this is one of them, and I actually was hoping to get this because I have been playing around with cream products lately, especially bronzers and blushes, so I'm excited for this. Yeah, this is the cream bronzer face palette. So this is the Aesthetica cream contour kit, and this retails for $40. It said that this kit contains a blendable silky creams that are designed to essentially define and highlight your face. 3 contour shades for sculpting and 3 highlight creams to enhance your favorite features. This kit includes a removable and refillable pan packaged in a travel-friendly mirrored palette, specially formulated for fair to dark skin tones. Alright, so I like that. I like that this is great for like fair to dark skin tone. I'm kind of like a light to medium skin tone. I am Filipino, so but for some reason I have like a fair kind of skin tone, not too fair but just like medium. So sometimes I get like a tan, just depending on the weather or the season actually. But this is what the packaging looks like. I like the packaging very much, and I like the fact that it does come with like a little booklet. I guess this is going to show you how to use these products. I want to say, yeah, so it does come with a little pamphlet, and it'll show you guys how to use the product and like how to contour. But of course you can use your own technique however you please. And then this is what the actual product or the packaging looks like, and then when you open it, it has this little plastic cover with a face of a really pretty person, and then you have all of these shades right here. I'm gonna obviously include swatches in the close-up, but let's just go ahead and ooh, that is creamy. Just watching the darkest one. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, let me swatch it on the other side. Horrible swatches. Okay, but that's what it looks like. I did a better swatch in this other arm. Now let's just swatch this. Now let's swatch it again right here. Look at how creamy that is. That is stunning. And let's just go ahead and swatch, even though you guys are going to see the swatches later on. I'm going to swatch the lightest one on here. It looks like so. That's nice. That is gorgeous. Really love that. Let me go ahead and grab a makeup wipe. So I am pretty excited about this product for sure. I love how creamy it is. I love that it is removable, like the pan, like they said, it's removable, so you can definitely depot this and put this in your own little Z palette. And I like the size mirror. Sorry, I'm blinding you. But the mirror size is really a decent size. Very excited for this one, like I always say. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and calculate how much my box is worth, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back, and the total value for my January Boxycharm is $165. So that's again like a really good box this month. So I love all of the products that I got in this month's box. It is a good balance between skincare and makeup products, so I love that. Let me know down below. I think I asked this before in my previous Boxycharm unboxing, like here on my channel. What do you guys prefer to receive more in your Boxycharm unboxing? Do you prefer to receive more makeup products or skincare products, or do you like it to be more balanced like this month? So let me know down below. I actually like it more balanced because you just get like an equal amount of both skincare and makeup products or beauty products, and I love that. And also sometimes you also get beauty tools like brushes as well. So very happy about my box this month. That completes this video. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that I got a haircut. I did vlog about this, so that's always on my vlog channel, but I'll link that down below in the description box if you guys want to see I didn't vlog the process, but I did vlog during that time. That was when I went on an unexpected date with my husband, and my oldest daughter watched the 3 other kids. But I did get a haircut because my hair was just getting way too long. But yeah, that's just one of the new things that I did this month or this last few weeks. But yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are Boxycharm subscribers, let me know down below what you guys are Boxycharm members. Let me know down below what you guys received in this month's box. I will always have the variety number in the beginning of this video as well as in the description box below. And if I have the weight information, I will have that also in the beginning of this video and the description box. Let me know down below what you guys received in this month's box. Did you guys love it? Did you guys hate it? Let me know. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.